Impact Charter School parents say their voices were not heard when Bessie appointed an entirely new board to run the school. The parents say Bessie violated Louisiana's open meetings laws. Bessie says parents were never excluded from public meetings. News 2's Alexis Maroney here with details on how the judge ruled.
Sylvia, in late February, Bessie wiped the Impact Charter Board clean. Today, Judge Don Johnson heard from the two sides about whether that process happened in good faith.
It's been 2 weeks since the Board of Elementary and Secondary Education made sweeping changes at Impact Charter School.
There's also a tremendous amount of responsibility when one chooses to serve on a board in the sector of education.
This is the meeting where parents from Impact Charter School say open meetings laws were violated.
I motion that the Louisiana State Board of Elementary and Secondary Education finds that the school has committed multiple infractions.
Kathleen Wilson, attorney for the parents suing the Board of Elementary and Secondary Education, says Bessie appointed 7 new members, blindsiding parents.
Nobody said the board did anything wrong. And so why change out a board for allegations for one specific person? And so that was a drastic change for the students, especially with having 6 to 8 weeks of school left.
Another point of contention was whether or not the agenda for that day was specific enough and whether it actually allowed Bessie to completely reestablish a new board.
In the agenda, it was a consideration of holding a public hearing.
Judge Johnson sided with Bessie, saying the announcement to reconstitute the board was sufficient and no open meetings laws were violated.
Their children were thriving. And so, just like I said, one change in the organization of the school, it can affect and trickle down to the students.
Another lawsuit in federal court filed on behalf of Impact's parent company, Education Explosion, is still pending. In the newsroom, Alexis Maroney, WBRZ News 2.